Hello, na good evening, oh, good evening, good evening, good evening. Barika the seller, oh, Barika the seller. Happy Ramadan celebration. How na their body, how market today, how office. I know say God don't richly bless everybody, oh, because God is a faithful God. God never fails. On to Sister Princess and Baba Ijesha with our other sister wey dey involved matter. We know say this world, many things dey happen every day for this world wey we dey so. People dey rape, man dey rape woman, woman dey rape man. We know, we agree. But you wey you dey side Baba Isha, you wey you dey sell cloth, you leave your cloth wey you dey sell. You come dey side, you come dey support wrong thing. Normally dem say no be only one road dey enter market. E still apply say no be only one way you suppose to dey reason when something happen. Wetin happen now be say some of una, if una get house, una dey feed person inside the house. Una keep one girl for house, una dey feed her. Another man come down una house behind una back, dey kiss that girl or dey friend that girl. How una go feel? Na the question wey una suppose to ask una sef. And we gree, Baba Ijesha no do reach, Baba Ijesha no do this one, he do that one, he molest, he no molest. Baba Ijesha dey friend the girl, the girl don pass 14 years. See the big girl picture, because some of una don dey post pictures now. This girl don pass 14 years now. Even though the girl don come off age, even though the girl don reach 50 years, as long as she dey under somebody, make we say no be princess daughter. Me, example, I keep one girl for house where I dey feed the girl. One man go come dey come my house for my back, go come dey lick the girl, dey kiss the girl. If me I see am, I go dey sad, I go dey angry. Some of una dey say because in dey friend princess before, Ashiri Titu, in dey friend princess, he no wan come friend am again. Na him make princess dey vex. Okay, mo still say some of una, if una dey friend person, the person no friend you again, or the person still dey even friend you, and that the same person come dey for your back, behind you, they have affair with another woman inside your back, for your back, I mean inside your back. How you go feel? You now, you that woman where you dey support Baba Ijesha, dey support am. You that woman where they support Baba Ijesha, if you keep girl for house, you dey feed that girl, you dey clothe that girl, then another man they come from outside, they come dey fuck that girl, or they kiss her, or they do some other things with her for your back, without letting you know, say, hey, madam, I like this girl, oh, I want friend am, oh. Even though if you tell the man say no, even though princess tell Baba Ijesha no, you no fit friend this girl. But inside princess mind, she go know say Baba Ijesha don tell me before. Abi? That one dey different. Baba Ijesha no let princess know anything. If they come princess house, kokoro tó ń jẹ ẹ̀fọ́ nínú ẹ̀fọ́ ló wà. Me I from Cross River, I no sabi speak Yoruba. But that kokoro wey dey eat ẹ̀fọ́ leaf, na inside ẹ̀fọ́ e dey. That kokoro wey dey eat beans, na inside beans e dey. Person wey dey do you, na inside your circle e dey. Na so this life be. Mo just take am say okay, people dey molest, people dey rape, pedophiles dey, this one, that one, friend princess, he no come friend, abi no friend princess. Okay, normally, Baba Ijesha, shey he supposed to dey come for princess house, for princess back, the friend any girl for the house. He no get hotel. Una wey be supporters club, una no fit join money for am. Build hotel for am or build house for am. One woman come and say, Baba Ijesha is my neighbor in Ikorodu. He has his own house. I'm not even sure Baba Ijesha can sleep with any woman. Baba Ijesha get im own house for Ikorodu. Why no dey now they talk to girl don pass 14 years old. Why no dey give the girl eye signal or call the girl or write paper give and say meet me for my own house? Why want disrespect princess? Which bad princess do for am? Some of una na just be witchcraft. Person no go just do na any bad, no go just get up, start to dey imagine, plan, program evil things to do that person. Now witchcraft like no be only, I don't know whether witchcraft dey, no be only the things wey dey fly for night na be witchcraft. Some of una the way una dey plan, they program people life, they talk things, they gossip, they program things. You should say una be witches and wizards. Some people don't spend money to make calls, do this, do that, just to support Baba Ijesha for the wrong thing when. Okay, me I no dey there, nobody dey there. Na only them. Na I know I be. But normally, Baba Ijesha as an actor, as a grown-up man, as a matured man, he's supposed to dey go another person's house, go dey fuck the girl. You're not supposed to dey carry am go hotel or carry am go in house where they same build as an actor. At least. Cheap hotels in Nigeria. Very cheap hotels. You go Ajegunle, all those railway, all those Ijora. You will get cheap hotels. You know, now they bring up pictures now. Because of now the head don't be like container. Where they carry come from high sea, where they no put car inside, they no put anything inside. They can't reach from the kind from Thailand. The container, empty container, they can't come from Thailand, they don't can't reach Nigeria before they say, oh, they no put car inside. Some of una na brain just empty. Una can't let us forget about. Una can't no let stories about our sweet handsome daddy, Pastor Suleiman, and his beautiful wife. Now no can't let us hear anything about them again. Yes, our lovely daddy, Pastor Suleiman, one of among the pastors we are like him now, one of the best pastors we are like. Because Pastor Suleiman no dey take gibberish, bullshit from no bagger. That is why I love that man and his wife. Yeah, Pastor Suleiman. Apostle Johnson Suleiman. I love the man. Now can't let us know the hear story about him again. Some of now can say this one they relevant, this one they popular. Una head they don't pour cement inside, it don't come block. They make sure the social media for animals. Everybody get the right. Anybody gets the right to go anywhere, stay anywhere, talk anything you want to talk. Everybody. Whether you chop, whether you not chop, you get right to talk what you want to talk. Post them anywhere you want post them. Some of now one they feel, hey man, I'm not gonna go talk. Stay there, kill yourself. Use depression, kill yourself. Nobody feel make me depress me. Me Alanke. Nobody. You be human being, I be human being. If you strong spiritually, me myself are strong spiritually. If you strong physically, me myself are dead there. Nobody I too like myself. Everybody get right to talk anything, anywhere, anytime you want to talk. Whether you go talk and finish, you dey watch only you dey watch yourself for where you post your. You have the right. Be comfortable. Talk what you want to talk. But normally for this Baba Ijesha matter, Baba Ijesha they wrong. Very, very. Nobody say they kill him. Nobody say they imprison him. In the very wrong to go another person back as a matured man, as an actor. At least you go get like 200 naira to go rent hotel. May carry the girl go there, go palace and wear as he wants. Abi that one are they wrong for that one? Whether I wrong, whether I no wrong, na my own at all. Normally, if all of us put head together and reason the thing, Baba Ijesha they wrong. For as he no carry that girl, go another place. He can't do inside princess house. He disrespect princess. He no good. As I be here, and princess don't help him before. Some of una don't be witcher. Person don't help una one or two ways for something. Una still they do one bad. Una still they do one bad. Una still Mona just let this matter clear. No, they hear of better people like Pastor Apostle Johnson Suleiman and the rest. I beg. Nigeria don too much, e don too much. Some people dey die every day, some people no even just care. Some people wan just, you wan sell your shoe, you wan sell your cloth, you wan find your husband online, you no know where you go carry your bad character go and your nonsense. When they talk this one, Baba Ijesha did this, Baba Ijesha dey wrong. I mean, I no know the meaning of wrong. E dey wrong. I'm not talking make no continue to rape or molest or no. Make you know they go people house, they friend their daughters. Making they let them know, I want friend this one. I want make Davido we go pay for Choma head. Or we carry himself go show Choma family, say, I like this one, daughter. You know get sense. He get sense now. At least Baba Ijesha senior Davido. Baba Ijesha na Yoruba man, Davido na Yoruba boy. But since young Davido, he go meet Choma family. Oh, I would like to friend this one, daughter. They don't acknowledge them. Even if they know 100% one time. As Igbo Yoruba, but they don't know say our daughter this one, even though they see Davido the kiss Choma for public, he don't call let us know say one they kiss am forever. Baba Ijesha dey wrong o. Nobody say me know the rape, that one no even concern me. You see the other man wey they cut in Gbonyo which day because they catch am. Now princess do mistake sef. That moment wey catch am, whether he be the friend princess or be no the friend princess, that moment wey catch am just stab am well. Stab am well. Nonsense. Make I go relax, make I eat. I just dey come back from church.